Laudio's work in healthcare is so important because healthcare is complex. It's getting more complex every day. And the role of the frontline leader really makes the difference for the patient and the patient outcome. So helping them do their work more efficiently and bringing that human connection back is so important.
There are so many demands on our frontline nurse leaders, and it's just so difficult for them to address all those demands in order to address the quality concerns on their unit, in order to address the staffing demands, the productivity demands, the financial demands to meet all of their productivity standards and overtime standards. And most importantly, to keep the nurses engaged.
To me, it's trying to find that balance when you're going through a changing environment like we are in healthcare to keep our people as stable as possible. And what that means is having leaders that are visible, leaders that are every day showing up to commit to their people first, to make sure that they have the tools and equipment to do their job.
Our leaders were really excited about having a platform where they wouldn't have to remember every single step that they needed to take to make the best of their interactions with their teammates.
The feedback has been tremendous, positive. All our leaders are very comfortable with the platform, and they are using it.
Others within our organization, other departments outside of nursing who weren't using Laudio, saw this increase in employee engagement. They said, hey, we'd like to see what's happening in nursing. And the one thing we could point to was Laudio. So other departments are very interested in expanding, and we're on the journey now to expand Laudio across the organization.
I wanted a partner that gave us that autonomy to help the solution work for us and not us conform to the solution because it had the coolest tech or it was the greatest, latest, shiny object. And Laudio is all of those things, but it's more than that because of the people behind it that have really partnered with us at Novant Health to help it be a tool that works for our needs and what we're trying to accomplish.
We are working even today to really enhance some of the capabilities, and Laudio has been fantastic in kind of keeping us in the loop as far as what we need, and really taking our feedback and input and moving forward with the product as well.
In healthcare, there are so many software systems that hold so much information. My hope is that we're able to pull out the most key information for our nurses at the bedside, for our nurse leaders, so they can act on the information that truly makes a difference and creates the kind of outcomes for our patients and our staff that we search for and make healthcare even more meaningful for those who provide healthcare and those who receive healthcare.
I believe that the capabilities that we have are going to enhance the way we do work. It's going to change how we do some of the work that we do, but I think it's going to change for the better and really be an enhancement to our frontline team members, our frontline managers, as well as senior leadership.
I was a chief nursing officer for 23 years, and to see a company that's dedicated to making a difference in the lives of leaders, it's so powerful because they're making a difference in the lives of everyone they lead every day.